All right, here we are. We're gonna get started on this thing finally. I've got injectors coming for the motor. We've got the motor mounts, transmission mount, all the stuff to swap the Duramax into this thing ordered. They're building that now. Should be here hopefully in the next week, 2 weeks at the most. So let me show you kind of what we got to do. I mean, obviously we got to put the engine in this thing, but the biggest problem we're going to have is this transmission tunnel. The Allison transmission's much bigger than what would have been in this truck to begin with. So the company that makes my motor mounts and everything, they told me this is the one we need. And I don't know if this is the four-wheel drive hump or what. We've got to cut this floor out to clear the transmission. This will just bolt in, so we'll get it all on there, fitting where we need, trace it out. We'll cut this tunnel out. We'll put some rivet nuts in there and then get that bolted in, and then I can go find some like 3M stick-on foam or something to put there. So let's get working on this. We'll see if we can get this in there today, and as soon as those motor mounts show up and everything, we'll be ready to stuff an engine in this thing. So here we go. Alrighty, thanks to some YouTube magic, we got the seat out of here. We've swept out a little bit, got a little bit of surface rust over here, but other than that, this truck's pretty well rust free. So this, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have to cut around this detinted outline that Chevy has put. But what I'm gonna do here is kind of get this, and these I'm gonna have to come in here with a body hammer and kind of hammer these down. And I might do that, maybe I'll go do that. Whoa. Maybe I think right here I need to tap it down. My guess is when somebody pulled the engine and the transmission out of this thing, they probably dinged this up a little bit. So let me go get a body hammer, and we'll tune those dents up, and we'll tune these flanges down a little bit, and we'll trace this, kind of do some measuring and see where we're gonna have to cut. So give me a minute. So we've got her outlined here, and the bolts are gonna be way out here. So I'm pretty sure we can cut along this, I don't know what you would call it, this rigid thing they've stamped in there. And I think that is gonna be plenty of room. Then we'll just drill some holes, put some rivet nuts in there. I think we're gonna be made. So let me go, I don't know if a cutoff wheel is gonna be the ticket, or if I just get a plasma cutter, drop it right down in that groove. I don't know. Let me do some pondering and thinking, and we'll get after it. Alrighty, we have a hole. I'm gonna go get a flap disc. I'll tune this up. We'll drill some holes, and hopefully that'll be pretty much that. And then I'll go find some white paint or something to touch this up, keep the rust away. But yeah, tons of room. Back with some rib nuts. Got the holes all deburred and everything. So let's get these rivet nuts in there, and we're gonna be sweet. This will just go on here for now. I still need to go get some foam or something to put something in here for weather stripping. But for now, that should work pretty good. Might go get some fender washers or something. Okay, well, that's probably it for now. All right, well, I've got a first coat of paint on this opening here, but I'm gonna pull the throttle pedal off of this. I've cut the cable up there already because we don't need that. The company that makes the motor mounts and everything, they make a bracket that adapts the factory Duramax throttle pedal to this dewamper here, so that should be fine. I don't think we need the cable or anything. I'm gonna go cut the cable off the firewall just to leave the hole plugged up, but that should be that. Let me well, there, we'll snip that and put a second coat of paint on this opening. I think we'll pretty much be done. Okay, well, I think that's all we're gonna get done today. Got that throttle pedal off of there. Looks pretty good in here. That should go on nice. I'll get some foam, act as a weather strip in there. I'll probably just hurry and clean out some of this carpet, maybe vacuum up a little bit. But yeah, throttle pedal's out. That tunnel's ready. So probably also what I'm gonna do, I'll start scraping all the crusty grime and grease off the frame rail and the engine compartment, kind of get it all ready for what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Hit the subscribe button because we're gonna have this one hopefully on the road this summer, at least running and driving. I don't know if we're gonna be painted show ready, but hopefully it runs and drives this summer. So subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. See you in the next one.